Girl, I'm the one for you. I'll make you feel comfortable. Yes, I'ma show you off. I'll blow you up, and that's just the truth.
I'd do anything for you. Give you my kidney too. Forget my side chicks, they no forget me. Even if they used to do.
Trust me, I'll come for you. Cause calamity, girl, I'll bust for you. Man, I shut down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. To my old and new subscribers, thank you guys so much for your love and support. You guys have been really amazing on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an installation video for this DIY crochet braid that I made. You guys have been requesting that I do an installation video. I've been wanting to do that video, excuse me, but I mistakenly broke my lens a day after filming this hair tutorial. So I had to order another lens, and the one that I ordered is not a beauty lens, so I had to return it and order this one that I'm using now. I just want to let you guys know that this hair is super lightweight, but this colored one comes with lot of plastic on it. Like this hair comes with a lot of plastic. I had to pick out the plastic one after the other. Honestly, I don't recommend the colored one but for this one that I was sent, honestly, the plastic inside is not something you can even tolerate. Don't buy this colored one. But for the black one, is super soft and nice. Another thing I don't like about both the colored and the black one is the fact that they don't hold coils that much. I was expecting a more defined coils to come out from this hair, but I was shocked that the coils didn't come out the way I wanted it to be. So I do not recommend this hair if you want a more defined coils. If you want a more defined coils, go for the expression braiding hair. It holds coils better than this one, okay? And also, if you want a tighter coils, like I wrote down in that video, braid 3 instead of the 6 that I braided. So if you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend that you watch that video so you are not left out, and also you know what I'm talking about. The hair looks so natural, it's not shiny. A friend of mine said this hair looks like human hair in the video that she saw. Like it doesn't look like braiding hair at all, but honestly this is synthetic and it's a braiding hair, and it's lightweight, it's fluffy. I love it. So this is the part that I made with this hair. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. The hair like so. So I'm going to part my hair in the middle. I don't have a mirror here, so I'm using my viewfinder. So you guys will have to bear with me. I'm going to be doing 2 tiny cornrow like this, so that the parts can be slim and not open like so. You guys are going to see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to be doing like 2 really tiny cornrow here. Is this tiny enough? Don't know. Okay, so this tiny corn.
For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio. Every day they play me on my radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling on me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake who's man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they know.
So if you want your parts to be really slim, you want to create, like you want to braid 2 tiny cornrow, and you want them to be as close to each other as possible. So I'm just going to cornrow the rest of my hair. So guys, I already have 6 cornrow on my head, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. So I have 2 cornrow left in the middle of my head. So what I'm going to do now is to part the hair into 2. So these are the 2 tiny cornrow that I made before. So they are here. I'm going to take this one, and it's like this. I'm going to cross it over like so. So this one will go with this cornrow, while this one will go with this other cornrow. So watch what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm going to cross it over. This one goes here and this one comes here.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you, I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh. Girls, them are random, me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she jeje. No they do me, she get. You want it, come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original Batman. John Tricks on the beat. One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one, them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell them me then go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me all and see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga.
Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man run the show down. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me all and see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga.
Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's Butty baby. Vicus. Mix it. Yeah, no. Lega. Original Batman. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original Batman. His body baby.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my nigga. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw well okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, will they make them? They got to go. Top of me in the bed, to my calm down. I'm on yeah. I'm on yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want me one gbọ́ mi.